Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. You need to begin by opening Play Store on Nokia and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this free app on both smartphones. And when it's ready, open it. Now on HUAWEI you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. Open. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then click on Receive over here on HUAWEI and tap on Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to. And select OK in order to close it on Nokia. Now you need to select Send at the bottom left corner of it. Then to choose all of your files that you wish to send, tap on those categories. Click on all of those dots and then click on Send next to select it. This way you can choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. On HUAWEI, pick one of those options, choose Close this window, and finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!